Okay, in this video we are going to change the tubing. So the tubing, what you want to do is just route the tubing straight in here around the pump and back out. When you close it, go ahead and just lock down these brackets here. Make sure the tubing is not getting pinched and it's nice and straight in those outlets. Go ahead and turn back on the machine. Whenever changing tubing, just turn the machine off. Now what we're going to do is just air prime the system. So I'm not actually going to put my inlet in any liquid right now. I just want to run the pump dry, which is completely normal with this pump. Unlike most pumps you never want to run dry. This pump you do. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and just click enter here and just let the pump run. Now the pump might, we call it stall out, where there's too much friction in here and it kind of stalls out. If that happens, just go ahead and hold down the reset button for a second and just rerun it. Usually that means just the hose is pinched here, or it's new and it's a little stiff and it needs to run in. That's all we're doing, is kind of running in the pump, just making sure the tubing's in line and the pump's in line and everything's good. I'm just going to run it like, usually want to run it, I'd say, if I'm running heavy production, I'll run it 5 times before I start running. But that's kind of how you want to do it. If it does stall out, I'll kind of show you an example. So I'll hit enter here. If it starts making kind of a high-pitched noise, that's usually a stall out. Just go ahead and click enter. It's going to reset itself, give it a second to start back up, and you're ready to go again. Once everything's running good here and the hoses ran in after 4 or 5 times, then go ahead and put your inlet into your reservoir and you're good to go. If you have any questions on this, please visit www.RockyMountainPLC. Thanks and have a great day.